This is a national threat. This is not a drill. If you reside anywhere near the Texas Panhandle, then please be alert. An unknown and hostile life form has been sighted dismembering a young boy off the side of Highway 180. Last sighted moving towards the Joplin area. Please lock all doors and windows. Keep yourself heavily armed with fire.
The usual, sir.
Even after 500 plays, our high-fidelity tape still delivers high. Fidelity. Accent. It's worth it.
There's nothing in the world like Action Park.
I can't wait to jump in the Tarzan pool.
I love the Grand Prix action from Action Park.
My kids love the ride.
Action Park is better than Broadway.
It's my first time in Action Park, and I love it.
They have more water rides here than anywhere in the world.
There's nothing in the world